and thank you so much for your interest in my talk. My name is Philine Metzger, and I'm from the University of Marburg, and I'm going to briefly talk about my project that you see here on the poster. All the details are on there, so I'm sorry if I skip through a lot of things due to time measures. So my topic is the syntactic complexity of intermediate learners of English, which is a work in progress and also my PhD project. Syntactic complexity can be generally defined as a degree of sophistication and variation in the text or in language in general. And for this project, I decided to measure it with Lu's 14 parameters of complexity. He established 5 groups of complexity that you can also find on my poster, and I will evaluate them later. The research question is how complexity develops between the 9th and the 12th grade for students of German high school. I will not only look at the quantity, but also the quality of the students' writing. For the data, I used the My Corpus by Kraya, which includes 88 learners and 2,800 texts. It's truly longitudinal with some metadata such as gender, age, other altrues, motivation, and so on. For the methodology, for the quantitative aspects, I used the TII-SSC tool to extract Lu's 14 parameters, and for the quality, I will work with teacher ratings that I will do myself because I am a teacher, and I will base my ratings on multiple variables such as grammar, spelling, lexis, and so on. I also did a feasibility study to see if the TII-SSC tool works with the specific corpus that I'm going to use. And after all, we had an accuracy between the manual annotators and the tool of 93.7% while counting 20 files. So now some preliminary results. So the hypothesis was that proficient learners will produce more syntactically complex structures with increasing proficiency, which is generally true, seems to be so far. So general complexity does increase between grade 9 and 12. There are some differences between the types. So type 1 increases and peaks until grade 11 and then decreases. This can be seen, for example, a man without hair is more complex but less proficient than a bald man. Type 2 has a steady increase. Type 3 mostly peaks in grade 12 but has a decrease between 10 and 11. And type 4 has a steady increase in peak in 11 and decreases in 12. And type 5 also mostly peaks in grade 12. So the outlook is to include some metadata, do a mixed effect regression modeling to see with which variables influence the others, and also rate the learner text, as I already said, and finally find out if findings correlate with each other. I'm looking forward to your questions during the Q&A and any comments. Thank you.